Sun is shining bright above. Feel the warmth, feel the love. Running barefoot in the sand. Life is good, life is grand.
Dito pa kami sa terminal kasi I think nagpupuno pa yung bus. Nice! Cost 401 pesos. Sabi sa website, parang 5:30 daw yung alis. Pero, umalis na agad ng 5:10. So, tip, agahan nyo sa terminal kasi minsan maaga umaalis yung bus. So, you have to look for the Chowking now. Wait, saan mo kumain muna? We're here! Time check! 7:51. 51. Nandito tayo sa Subic. Kain muna kami para... Wait! Wait!
Sumabay tayo. Hindi nag-vlog ka dyan. Kwento ka
Hindi
talaga.
kasi I have to share kung ano yung directions.
Sure,
Tumawid muna kami dito sa Dunkin' Donut. Commute outfit. Yan yung Victory Liner, right? There. Tapos katabi niya, may Chowking. And may Margarita. So, sa Blue Jeep daw, sasakay ko into Inflatable Island. Okay. Ito. There we go. Wow, malinis yung water. And if you know, day beds, you want to sleep. Pero, ito na lang kami. Pagdating namin dito, sobrang init. So, naligo muna ako. Sarap maligo, ang lamig ng tubig. Oh, this is what I'm using for my face. For sunblock, ito yung binili ko sa Watsons. It's Fresh Skin Lab K Aloe Ice. SPF 100. Dito daw nag-shooting yung Pantropicon na music video ng Beanie. Ganda. I like it here. Ang init, ang init. Ate, mas maganda yung beanbag dito. It's firm. What are your first impressions?
Maganda to.
This one, no? Ang ganda, no? Ang lamig. Pero pag lumabas ka dito sa hot,
Sobrang init.
Sobrang
Masakit ng
init.
sand pag naglalakad.
Pero dito ang lamig. Feeling ko nasa ano ako. Islang patropiko. Ayun, ayun. Ang ganda ng view natin pala. Ano man sabi mo sa inflatable? Ito. Would you do that? Would you participate?
Siyempre, ayoko.
Oo, ayoko na i-risk. Pero maganda siya. I mean, hindi ako galit. Ganda. Ganda siya. Sama? Sarap. Lamig. Sarap, diba? Sarap. Time check. It's already 12. Kakain na rin kami in a bit. Kain na ba tayo, ate? Or gusto mo mag-swim muna bago kumain?
Sana. Pero sobrang araw.
Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Wait lang. I'll show you. Yan o. May mga nagsiswim na. Okay, there's our food. Yan. Okay, let's eat. What can you say? Are you giving?
It's like corn.
Okay. I'll try it. For me, it's good. Perfect. Pag pupunta kayo dito, agahan niyo yung order ng food. Kasi pag sumabay kayo sa lunch peak, medyo matagal na. Order ka doon, i-deliver nila kung saan yung ano mo, saan yung hut mo. Amazing. Gusto mo ng Coke? Tikman natin yung leche flan. Sarap yung leche flan. You're right. Uy, ang sarap ng leche flan. Ang daming ano, caramel. Okay, time to eat the bacon. Ang dami ate nung serving. Time to reapply sunscreen. So, ayaw namin pilitan. And, ang mahal ng skincare. Hindi pwede kasi ang damage. Ate, okay ba? Pantay ba? Okay na to. Let's go! Let's swim! Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the inflatable. But, I mean, we're not gonna go there kasi ayaw namin mainitan. But I'll show you. Look. Oh. It looks okay. It looks fun naman. Pero ayaw lang talaga namin maano. Swim kami pero maximum 5 minutes. Double tap mo yung face ko. Double tap mo yung face ko. Kasi dapat active track.
Naka-active track enabled.
Yes! Yes! Wow! There's a very aesthetic bar. It's called Sula. Cute!
Dreams wrinkle silk on my cheeks. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something.
Hi guys, so that ends our little day trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I would definitely recommend going here sa Inflatable Island because number one, sobrang convenient nung pagpunta. As in, walang traffic, 3 hours lang nasa Subic na kami. Solo travel friendly. If gusto mo lang mag-beach, this is a good place to go to. And I would say it's very safe naman. Like, wala namang mga sketchy people. Yeah, and it's so pretty, oh. Can you see that? Wait lang. Sa likod ko, hindi makita. Pero ang ganda. Probably gonna go back here if parang gusto ko mag-beach. Tapos ito yung pinakamalapit that I could think of na aesthetic. Kasi ayoko na sa Batangas. Parang hindi siya ganun ka-aesthetic. I don't know, parang it's not my vibe. Anyway, we're gonna go home na. See if I can still vlog that part. Medyo hindi ako comfortable mag-vlog sa bus eh. But I will try. But if ever, ito na yung outfit ko. So, bye guys!